Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in East Grinstead in West Sussex. Looking forward to showing you around this huge hobby room with integrated blinds that you're seeing down right now and a complete garden renovation. So with the integrated blinds now open, you can see these huge windows. Normally we do 3 on the front of a 7.2 metre building either side to keep it kind of marrying with the door, but these 2 larger ones were requested by the client. I've got to say it works really well. Now the client using this is retired. She's got some issues with her sight and wanted maximum light, and this has worked really well. It's 7.2 metres wide, as I say, 3.7 deep, Kite pre-designed, sitting around about 27 and a bit square metres, so under the 30 and within the permitted development rules, so under 2.5. We've added on a fixed window to the side there. That's part of the hobby room that's going to be used, also for her friends to come and enjoy the space. A bit of a community space here as well. And then there's a higher window with the fan light there. Show you all about that in a moment. Now, along with this building, we've ended up with a complete garden transformation with Tom Manville at TJM, including the path down here, all of this patio work that we've covered out here, and all this new patio leading up and to the front of the house. So it's a really lovely complete garden transformation. And I've got to say, this was an old allotment bit with some, yeah, just a lot going on. It was a lot of growing here and a lot of mess, and to clean it all up is lovely. So anthracite colour, all the things you know about Bakers by now. 10-year guarantee, 50-year life expectancy in the MTX cladding. We've done the MTX to the left, you may have seen there, and on the back and the right is the cement board. So with the doors open, this is a very open space on purpose, so it can be used for the community to come in. One of the hottest days of the year as I'm recording this, and we've got the lovely climate control, the Mitsubishi unit in there. In here it's a lovely cool, say 20 degrees, it's 32 outside right now, and say there's lovely open space, lots of mirrors again to create more light so vision is easy, extra lighting in the roof, and then a lovely elfin kitchen. The first one we've shown with the new worktop they've got there, absolutely fantastic. Got the fridge in that section there. And we've also managed to fit in the bottom there the water heater, so that heats the water for the elfin kitchen, but also the basin in the toilet. The little hobby space there, again designed with the window behind for good vision and good natural light, with additional lighting on the roof within that. And then one of our standard toilet sections here, macerator pump down the garden, all the trench work done by TJM. And then you've got the corner unit there as well. So it's a slightly different system that we use there, a basin there, but it's actually worked really well with the towel rail. Yes, I really like that. And it's just a compact space that works very nicely. All the things you would expect from us here at Bakers. So you've got the internet, the lighting, the sockets all set up, the AC, and everything all fully managed by us. BT have done the internet, so we just repeated from the house down, so everything is a single repeat. These are nice big wardrobes. These are retrofitted. These are not by us, but nice sliding wardrobe doors there that I really think create a lot of light, a lot of space. And actually, you know, not that it's for it, but what a great option for storage if it's going to be for a gym, because you've also got the mirror there. Yeah, so there you go. So that really lovely big wide Kite building, 7.2 by 3.7. It is a big building, but you can do a lot with it. And we've got the community in East Grinstead coming down and using this space. I think it's a really lovely story. It's going to get a lot of use, and a dedicated space down the garden is what we need. And of course, moving forwards, it's a great investment to the property. It could be used as multiple things. Okay, so there you go. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and hope this is of interest.